For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
According to reports, Disha Salian's fiancé Rohan Ria, who was allegedly missing from the city for some time, has now returned to Mumbai and has met the investigative officer of the case. Reports even suggest that, unhappy with the media trial around the case, he or Salian's family might approach the court. As per latest reports, Sushant Singh Rajput's viscera sample was not preserved properly. It must be noted that the forensic team in Mumbai had already used 75% of the viscera for testing. Sources in AIIMS suggest that the viscera received by the Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology were of very less quantity and degenerated. Late actor Sushant Singh Rajput's crucial forensic reports will be presented by a team of AIIMS to the CBI on September 20th. Filmmaker Anurag Kashyap responded to Payal Ghosh's sexual harassment accusations against him. Calling them baseless, he wrote, "Wow, it took so long in the attempt to silence me. It's okay. In the attempt to silence me, you dragged several other women despite being a woman yourself. Have some limit, madam. We'll just want to say that whatever the accusations are, they are all unsubstantiated." In a recent interview, filmmaker Anurag Kashyap revealed that actor Ranveer Singh has gone through his fair share of struggles. Revealing two of his personal experiences to justify his opinion, Anurag Kashyap stated that nobody in his studios believed in him and told him that they will not give him money if he made the film Bombay Velvet with Ranveer Singh. Anurag also claimed that the actor was rejected in an audition in Shaitan. Actor Bhupesh Kumar Pandya, known for his role in Vicky Donor, has been recently diagnosed with lung cancer. The actor is in need of 25 lakh rupees for his treatment in a hospital in Ahmedabad, for which his colleagues Manoj Bajpayee, Gajraj Rao and Rajesh Tailang have come forward to extend help for his treatment. Manoj shared the kept link of a fundraiser started by one of Bhupesh's classmates, Kashish Agnihotri. Bollywood actor Abhishek Bachchan has finally returned to the sets of The Big Bull after a long break of 6 months. On Saturday, the actor took to Instagram to inform his fans that he has resumed filming. After much speculation, the leading ladies for the Telugu remake of the national award-winning film Andhadhun have been finalized. Actors Nabha Natesh and Tamanna will reprise the roles of Radhika Apte and Tabu respectively in the film that features Nitin in the lead. Director Merlapaka Gandhi will be helming the remake. Trailer for Anushka Shetty and R. Madhavan starrer Nishabdam to be out at 1 p.m. on 21st of September. The film will premiere on the 2nd of October in Telugu and Tamil on Amazon Prime. The film has also been dubbed in Hindi and Malayalam. Rumors arrive that Tom Hardy has been cast as the new James Bond and will take over the mantle from Daniel Craig post the release of his seventh swan song, No Time to Die. Daniel Craig has time and again expressed his desire to take an exit from the James Bond franchise he is a part of since 2006. Ever since Craig hinted at leaving the franchise, there have several speculations as to who might be the next James Bond. From Idris Elba, Tom Hiddleston to Henry Cavill, several names have been thrown around.